destination. I realized quickly when I knew I shared that the world was made of this brotherhood of men, for whatever that means. And so we cry sometimes we don't lie in bed just to get up what's in my head, and I don't feel like a little bit kingdom. And so break